Hello, Kinder Cubs. How are you today? Today we are going to do a science lesson, and science teaches us about the world around us. Today we're going to talk about the concept of living or non-living. Living or non-living? We're going to look at some pictures and we're going to decide if the picture shows something that is living, that means it's alive, or if it's non-living, it's not alive. In some ways we can tell if something is living or not. We can ask ourselves, does it eat and drink? If it does eat and drink, it's probably living. And we can even ask ourselves, does it grow or does it always stay the same? If it grows, it's probably living. And another question is, does it reproduce? That means, does it make more of itself? And if it does, it's probably living. So let's look at some pictures and you can help me decide if it's living or non-living. I'm going to start with this picture. This picture shows two animals. And this animal is a predator and it's chasing this little deer creature. So what do you guys think? Are these animals living or non-living? That's right, they are living. We know that they're living because they move and they're running. This one's gonna eat this one, maybe if it catches it. And they are able to reproduce. That means they're able to have babies. So we know that animals are living. So we're gonna put the animals here. All right, let's look at another picture. It's a school bus. What do you think? Is the school bus living or is it non-living? Is the school bus alive? No. So if it's not alive, it's non-living. A school bus doesn't grow, does it? It just starts out the size of a school bus and stays that way forever. And it certainly doesn't eat. It can move, but only with the power of an engine. Let's look at another one. Clock. What do you think? A clock has hands. That doesn't make it living though, does it? Even though a clock moves, the hands of the clock move, it is not living. It doesn't eat, it doesn't grow, it doesn't reproduce. So a clock is non-living. Put the clock there. All right, guys. This one's a tricky one. This is cactus. What do you think about a cactus plant? Do you think a cactus is living? I do too. I think a cactus is living. As a matter of fact, I know it's living because it drinks water, it grows, it reproduces. Yeah. We're gonna put that right here. There's the cactus. Plants are actually living. That was a tricky one. What about crackers? They're a food. Crackers. Do you think crackers are living or non-living? Non-living, you're right. Crackers can't grow or change or move or eat. We eat crackers, don't we? So crackers are non-living. You guys are doing great. Got an interesting one. It's called an earthworm. An earthworm. What do you guys think? I'll give you a minute to think. Yeah, earthworms are living. Earthworms are living. They grow, they reproduce, they eat and drink, and they move. Let's put it there. Earthworms are living. What about trees? These are palm trees. What do you think? Do you think palm trees are alive? They are. They're living. They grow. They reproduce by the use of seeds. They drink water and eat through their roots. They sure do. They grow and they change. They are living. Trees are alive. What about a kite? This is a toy. You can put it on a string and fly it through the wind. What do you think? Is a kite alive? No, it's not alive. Toys aren't alive, are they? All right, toys cannot grow and change and reproduce and eat, so they are non-living. All right, we're gonna do one more. It's a bird. This one's called a parrot. What do you think? Is a parrot alive? Living? Yeah, of course it is. Very good. All animals are part of the living category, aren't they? Mm-hmm. They can change and grow and move and eat and reproduce. Let's review what we've learned today. We learned that living objects are things in the world that grow and reproduce and eat and move. Some of the living objects we found today were parrots, animals, worms, trees, and plants. They all are living. Some of the things we found today that were non-living, they don't grow and change and eat and reproduce, were vehicles, buses, clocks, crackers, and kites. Today I want you guys to think about some things in your neighborhood that are living or non-living, and draw me some pictures in your remote learning journal. Draw some pictures of some things you can think of that are living that are around you, and some things that are non-living that are around you. Have fun learning, guys. Bye.